Hello everyone, welcome back to Earners Empire. It's me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm back with another brand new way for you people to earn money. Well, today I'm just going to show you guys how we can earn. I don't know, let's say if we are a free member, then we can actually click 6 ads. Let's say each of the ad pays few amount. We could easily earn 20 rupees without any investment daily, and if you just follow what I say, you can actually earn nearly 100 rupees daily. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to learn all the tricks regarding this website. Well, this is one of those pay to click websites. I know there are a lot of other pay to click websites, but this is the best pay to click website which I came across. It's named PTC Pro. Well, if you just search for PTC Pro in the internet, you would find a lot of websites, but this website is not going to be. You should surf for this one. So I'm just going to leave this website's link in the description and the first comment. So make sure to click on that link and register in this website. Now I'm going to show you guys the real proofs of me earning and me withdrawing. First of all, I'm just going to click on this and log in. I already have an account, so I'm not going to create an account. If you do not have an account, you can just go and create one. It's as easy as that. Right now, I'm just going to sign in, so I'm just going to pause my video. As you can see, I have logged in successfully, and I already have a balance of rupees 15 with me. Just today, I created this account. Well, this application has a lot of features, but our most important feature is going to be one, referral. You can actually refer other people, and when they earn, you also get paid a share, a part of their referral link. So I'm also going to leave my referral link, so I hope you guys register with my referral link. Well, there are basically three plans. I am right now in the free plan. As you can see, the purchase plan is striked out. Well, there are other plans such as bronze and silver, where we can actually earn referral bonus in levels. If you want an in-depth review of this application, then you can just go watch the PTC Pros review, which I have actually made a separate video on that, and that video's link is going to be available in the description and the first comment. I'm just going to show you guys how we can actually earn. Well, right now for me there are 3 links available, and as you can see, each of these links pays 1.5, 1 and 1.5. I'm just going to go and watch an advertisement which pays 1 rupee. Now I interacted with the video. Now all I had to do is, and that's it. It was very easy. We were able to earn a rupee. We can actually repeat this process once every 24 hours. Now let's go and check our balance. As you can see, our balance is rupees 16 right now. I'm just going to show my transaction. As you can see, I earned 15 for a single advertisement view, but it's going to be available very rarely. So if you are lucky, you can find it. Now I'm just going to show you what are the ways where we can actually withdraw. Well, there are 2 ways we can actually withdraw money. One is going to be using Binance. That is, if you are into the crypto, then it's going to be obviously helpful to you. The other is to be withdraw the money directly to a bank account, that is via UPI. As you can see, the transaction limit starts from 500 and it goes on. The charge is going to be rupees 50 along with the 10% of the money. Right now I just have 16, so I'm not eligible for withdrawal. But in case we had 500, we can actually withdraw the money. And what I've heard from the people is that if we withdraw, we can actually the withdrawal comes directly to a bank account within 24 hours. So it's one of the best and trusted applications. So guys, I hope today's video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And if you want more such videos, then just write down make money online in the comment section. I'll post more videos. If you have any doubts or suggestions, then please feel free to leave it in the comment section. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. And it's me Surya Prakash from Protect Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.